starting our circle time. Look, it's a brand new calendar. What is our month? Does anybody know? What's our month?
We just got done with May, and now it's
June. We're going to have 3 things in June. I have to come up with one more, but we're going to start off with the Santa. All right, let's sing our days of the week. Yeah. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Your turn.
Sunday and
I can't hear ya. Friends. No, thank you.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. All right, so that means today is Tuesday, June 1st, 2021. All right, tomorrow is Wednesday, so we'll have no school on the... Whoa, I threw it up there. Did you see me throw that thing? Flying up in the air. We won't have any school on the second day of June. All right, what kind of weather do we have outside today?
Sunny.
Sunny, it is sunny outside. No rain today.
No.
Woo!
Sunny.
What about tomorrow? What are we talking about?
Sunny.
Sunny again? Ooh, that sounds good. All right, let's say the alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right, we're going to count all the way to counting to 15. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can't hear you. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There they are. I thought you fell asleep out there. No, let's count backwards from 10. Here we go. 10. Oh, goodness gracious. Try that one more time. 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Awesome. All right, let's look at some colors. Right in the back. What color is this? Good, blue. Let's try. Up front. What color is this?
Pink.
Good. Right next to him. What color is this? All right. Right here. What color? The bus. Yellow. Right here. What color is anger? Good. All right, right here again. What shape is this? Good. Right here. What shape is this? Good. Right next to him. Goofy Mickey on. What shape is this? This shape right here. Circle. Right next to him, what shape is this? Good. Right behind him, what shape is this? Octagon. Very nice. Our nursery rhyme. Whoop. Our nursery rhyme this week is rain, rain, go away. Say it with me. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Little children want to play. All right, our letter this week is the letter Q. Q says qua, qua, for queen, quiet, and quarter. All right, let's stand up and sing about where we start those letters. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Go. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Do you start your letters at the top? Then you better remember to start it at the top. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. Top. We go. Reach up. Way up. Reach out and touch the top. Go down. Reach down. Way down. Reach out and touch the bottom. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Shake it in the middle. Reach up. Touch bottom. Shake it in the middle. Here we go. Then you better remember to start it at the top. Go down. Now it's the bottom. Shake it in the middle. Reach up high. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to make the letter Q. We start off with the magic C. Magic C. Magic C is magical because if you take one magic C and two magic C's, we make the letter O. Then I put a little slide on it to make the letter Q. Whoop. Try that again. There it is. Move everything over a little bit. Okay. So when we make the letter Q, we have the circle. We're going to make the letter Q. I'll show you how. Start at the top. Go this way now. Keep on going. Please don't stop. Jump down to the bottom. Put a little slide. It's the letter Q. Right? So this is the letter O. Make the letter Q. You have to make the letter O. Starting here. Keep going around. Don't stop till you get to the top. Then I put a little slide. And what letter is that? Q. What does Q say? Qua, qua, qua. Excellent. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time today, and we'll see you on Thursday.